as you can see, it's a wonderful day. A few clouds here and there, but mostly sunny. I decided to take advantage of this day to go for a little adventure. Oh, this is beautiful. Okay, so now we have officially left the gravel road. Now we're on a trail of some sort. Let me just read the sign. See what it says. Oh, this is a nice spot. Surrounded by trees here. Bit of root action. It's like speed bumps. Okay. Let me see what it says here. Oh man. My eyes are terrible. I can't see far. Please help us protect and conserve this area for plants, wildlife, and future campers by following these rules. Maximum length of stay in dispersed camping areas may not exceed 16 consecutive days. After this period, camping is permitted within designated sites only. All equipment must remain within blue boundary posts. No camping equipment may be left unattended more than 24 hours. Campfires are permitted within designated fire rings only. Fires must be completely extinguished when not in sight. Cutting live trees is prohibited, obviously. And collection of dead and downed trees for firewood is allowed. Alright. Some rules. These are free campsites. Alright, let me do some more exploring. Love those tires. Great tires. Best investment for this truck I've made so far, other than the topper. And it's still got, I don't know, almost 3,000 miles in. Still got new treads. Okay, just in case I want to fire, take this bag. It's a familiar sight. Looks like my sleeping bag shifted over a little bit. Okay, here we go. Ugh. Okay, well, I don't have a GoPro tripod, so this will have to do. This is what it looks like, more or less. I got this cushion here. It helped me stay upright a little bit so that I can do work on my laptop or my sketchbook or whatnot. So it's a comfy thing. This mattress is really nice because it's memory foam and it really helps my back. One of the biggest downsides to this kind of travel is definitely comfort. Comfort is a big deal for me because I have a chronic back pain. So a good mattress that gives good back support also conforms to the natural curvature of the body. That is critical. So moving this aside and putting a pillow here. Oh, that is very nice. That is so nice. I can just sleep like this forever. In fact, I might take a moment to just be very still and just straighten out my back from driving all day, and maybe enjoy a little bit of this wind here. There's a lot of wind action happening. Oh. Here, let me grab you. But the truck is shaking. Yeah. It's a little frightening how powerful this wind is. That's the road I took to get in, all the way this way, and then behind me, that's the road I'll take on the way out. The camera doesn't show, but that stump over there and this tree trunk over here, that's barely the width of this truck. But tomorrow morning, after I get a good night's sleep tonight, I'm gonna pack up quickly, just drive out, and then we'll see if there's any more campsites that we can find for one more night of stay before I have to head home. I don't think I'll make a fire tonight because everything is so bone dry. If I even try and make a fire, that's like 100% guarantee that there's gonna be a wildfire here. My truck is a two-wheel drive and it was able to do this. The road is really not that bad, and sometimes like I have to get off the truck and survey it on foot, like go ahead down the trail first a bit and then see what sort of ruts I'm looking at, you know. Time and time you have to do that. That's just inevitable, especially in a unmaintained road. But man, like if you just have the ground clearance and right tires, you can do it. You could totally do it. You really don't need that much clearance. You just cannot have a sports car that's just so low to the ground. But any sedans too, like I've seen cars make this trip on street tires too. See that? My whole, you can fit like 3 of my fingers. That's how deep the tread goes. Oh, it's getting colder. It's already in the mid to upper 40s. It was in the 60s earlier, but now wind is not helping. Sun set already and this GoPro is dying. Oh. Gotta open this. Oh.
Well, good morning. It's about 7:16. First thing I gotta do is find a bathroom. Oh man, I don't want to leave this sleeping bag though. It's so nice.
I think I hear some waves. Last night it was hella windy. So windy last night. And it's still windy now. There's a little bench here. top. This is quite a beautiful town. I love the scenery. I love the fact that a lot of the buildings are right up against the river. Just had a quick breakfast here. It's quite beautiful, this place. I'm just gonna walk down river or up the river a little bit. Just kind of have a peaceful walk before I start scouting out another campsite for me to stay at. We're back at it. Seasoned road. Looks like they put a fresh batch of gravel and dirt, so thankfully there's not a lot of potholes here, but unfortunately they made this trail right through a swamp area, so either side of me is really deep ruts and basically mossy, clayish, very slimy mud. So if I want to go back, I don't think I'd be able to turn around easily here. This is a sight. That's my truck. I backed in a little. There's a private water access. There's a little fire ring right there. And you can walk that way. There's a little trail. Wow, this is beautiful. Just went to the loo. This is amazing. I practically have the whole campsite to myself. And it turns out only during peak season they require you to make a reservation. This is the fire setup I have. I just brought the leftover wood from the house, and this is all of it, all that I brought. So I want to burn all of it. Don't leave any wood unburnt here. And this is a perfect setup for a very quick fire. I don't want to have this going for too long. This wood must have been a lot drier than I thought. The burn was a lot quicker than I thought. So this is the Manistee River. So, it was a good thing that I went on a drive because I found a market and ended up buying a few things for the truck. So, and I got my phone charged a little bit and the GoPro is fully charged. What cooks inside that pot is a mystery, even for me. Okay. Well, finished cooking. I'm about to eat, and then I got a notification that it's going to rain any minute now. I have my rice, and batteries to keep me powered through the evening. Let's turn this off. Good morning. Well, I couldn't film myself waking up because not only is it really dark out, but it's really dark out. I'm gonna set you right here. I think there are a bunch of guys who wants to come here and use the space because a lot of fishermen come out here very early in the morning and launch their boats and they go fishing with their buddies. So probably it'd be nice for me to vacate the spot and let them use it for their equipments and stuff. Which I don't mind because I'm awake already. So yeah, I'm just gonna head out, maybe find a bathroom, and then have breakfast, and probably head home afterwards. Just got done with the gym, and now I'm feeling a bit sleepy. I had coffee early morning, but I might have to take an early morning nap. I'm in Cadillac, Michigan. So in Cadillac, Michigan, there's two lakes, two big lakes. There's obviously the Lake Cadillac, and its sister lake, Lake Mitchell. And that marks the end of this adventure. That was a beautiful park, and you know, as pretty as this little town is, there's really not much to do, so I think I'm just gonna head home, call it quits. I've done all the things that I wanted to do and had a wonderful time. Thank you so much for tuning in. Here's to looking forward to a lot more adventures to come.